Good morning, everyone. I don't know, just that I'm vlogging right now. I just woke up, as you could tell. And there's Max right there. So first thing I do when I wake up is I let Max out to go do his business. And then I let the chickens out, which is what I'm gonna do right now. So this is the chickens that you always hear in my videos. This is the rooster that you always hear at my videos. See? Chickens, chickens. There goes the rooster, right there. So, yeah, I let the chickens out. They already ate because they have their food inside of the gate with them. So, just let them out and they're walking around the whole property now. And next thing, there he is. You see, that's the rooster that's always on my videos. You could always hear them. Hear him because we only have one now. Oh, look, a chicken is following me. Another thing I do is I always walk around the house, get my morning cardio, my morning walk around the house with Max. I don't know where he goes. It's cold. It's actually pretty cold right now. Oh, sorry. So just walking around. Nothing much to do right now. I need to call my dad and ask him what he wants me to do down at the nursery. So yeah, I'm thinking of filming a video because I have no videos up yet. So, but I have no nails. I need to get my nails done again. So yeah, this is what I do every morning. And here comes Max. I just walk around and then I just sit down for a while. Just check my phone. Yeah, and then I go pee because I haven't gone pee yet. But yeah, I'm just here chilling, enjoying the view. just going to go down to the nursery and work for my dad right now, because today is my day off at the other job. So yeah, got my water, because you need to keep yourself hydrated. Even though I don't like water, I prefer drinking soda. But I can't drink soda. I need to drink lots of water. So yeah, just walking right now. Oh, this tree right here fell from the Santa Ana winds. Those winds are strong. So, and it was like right here. Let me show you where it was. It was like right there, and the wind, it like blew it away. So, they're strong. So now I'm just going to go to work here for my dad. And yeah, here's the nursery. Here's some more plants. I'm wearing a sweater this time because it was cold earlier in the morning. It's still a little bit cold, so I'm wearing a sweater. So here's the greenhouse right here. So I need to do my macetas, and that's about it right now that I know of 6-inch. So y'all, alright, I need to get working. I need to put my music on, so that means I need to stop vlogging so I can put my music on my phone. And yeah, the fuck was that? I don't know. So I'm back to the house from work. My shirt's a little dirty now. Wearing white. That was my sister. She's back from school. So yeah, I'm not gonna do much anymore. Just gonna clean the house. Well, I already partially cleaned it, and just watch YouTube. I'm already watching YouTube right now. I'm watching the Murillo twins. So yeah, I guess that's about it right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed a day in my life. Like I said, I don't really do much. Probably once I get my license, I'll vlog that day, and probably once I get my license, obviously since I'm gonna be driving more, I'll do more vlogs. But for right now, this is the day in my life. When I don't work at my other job, I'm working here, and I clean the house, and that's about it. So yeah, after I'm done cleaning the house, I'm just gonna rest, take a shower, and just rest, chill, watch YouTube, and then probably Netflix. So yeah, I think that's about it. So thank you if you made it all the way to the end, and thanks if you enjoyed this day in my life vlog. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. What else? Oh, and turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I upload. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video.